Two titans are about to collide in DJI's drone universe, the DJI Neo 2 and the long-awaited DJI Avata 3. If you've been wondering which one is worth the wait, which drone dominates in performance, specs, camera, and even price, this is the ultimate deep dive you need. In this video, we're covering leaked specs, rumored release dates, side-by-side comparisons, and why these two drones may completely redefine their respective categories in 2025. Let's jump right into it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. DJI is positioning the Neo 2 as a bold successor to the original Neo, a compact drone that surprised many with its punchy features. According to reliable leak sources, the Neo 2 isn't just a refresh, it's an evolution. Camera system. A 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 4K at 120 FPS video capability, HDR photo capture, and potentially support for 10-bit D-Log-M. Compared to the original Neo, this is a massive leap forward for creators on a budget. Gimbal stabilization. 3-axis mechanical gimbal, redesigned for greater shock absorption, ideal for cinematic flying. Neo 2 is rumored to get full tridirectional sensing, forward, backward, and downward, similar to DJI Mini 4 Pro. Up to 38 minutes on a single charge, pushing the boundaries of battery efficiency for its size class. Intelligent features. New versions of Focus Track, Active Track 6.0, Waypoint Flight, and Mastershots baked into the drone's firmware. Transmission tech. OcuSync 4.0 with up to 20 km range and 1080p/60 fps live view. All of this in a drone that weighs under 250 grams, making it ultra-portable, legally compliant in many regions, and a favorite for travelers and hobbyists. On the other end of the DJI lineup, the Avata 3 is the highly anticipated update to the popular Avata FPV drone series. While the Avata 2 focused on accessibility and smooth indoor flight, the Avata 3 is shaping up to be a full-blown cinematic FPV beast. Here's the leaked breakdown. Camera. Avata 3 is rumored to feature a 1/1.3-inch sensor, same as the Neo 2, but with super-wide FOV, field of view, and improved distortion correction, perfect for immersive FPV shots. Frame design. Completely revamped, lighter duct frame with carbon fiber reinforcements for enhanced crash resistance. Goggles compatibility. Works natively with the new DJI Goggles 3 and DJI RC Motion 3, supporting low-latency transmission at 120 frames per second in HD quality. Flight performance. Faster motors, with rumored top speeds up to 70 km per hour, and smoother acceleration in manual mode. Flight time. Slightly improved from Avata 2, around 23 minutes, which is solid for an FPV drone. Safety and sensors. Rumors suggest downward vision sensors and return to home, RTH, enhancements, crucial for beginners or proximity flying. Let's compare the two drones across major categories. Feature DJI Neo 2, DJI Avata 3. Camera sensor 1/1.3, CMOS 1/1.3, CMOS, wide FOV. Max video res